Today we will discuss the capitalization method of valuation of goodwill. In the previous two videos we discussed average profit method and super profit method. Now under capitalization method, goodwill can be valued by following either capitalization of average profit or capitalization of the super profit. First of all, we will discuss about capitalization of average profit. Suppose a firm earns a profit of rupees 30,000 and the rate of return is 10%. Assets and liabilities of the firm are 3 lakh and rupees 1 lakh 80,000 respectively. Calculate the value of the goodwill by capitalization of average profit. Now, under this capitalization of average profit, goodwill is calculated as goodwill is total capitalized value of the business, total capitalized value of the business minus net assets. Total capitalized value, how to calculate the total capitalized value? That is actual profits into 100 upon normal rate of return. And what is, how to calculate net assets? This is total assets minus outsiders liabilities. First of all, we have to calculate the total capitalized value. Now, total capitalized value is equal to actual profit. Firm earns a profit of 30,000. This is actual profit into 100 upon rate. 100 and the rate is 10%. So this comes to rupees 3 lakh. Now, net assets. Net assets will be calculated as total assets minus outsiders liabilities. Total assets. These are the total assets minus outsider liabilities 1,80,000. So this comes to rupees 1,20,000. So net assets are 1,20,000 and total capitalized value is 3 lakh. So goodwill is total capitalized value of the business. Now total capitalized value is 3 lakh minus net assets 1,20,000. So goodwill comes to rupees 1,80,000. When we calculate the net assets, that is total assets minus outsiders liabilities, total assets excluding goodwill, fictitious assets and non-trade investments are considered. It means if in the balance sheet on the asset side any fictitious asset is given or non-trade investment is given, that will not be considered while calculating the value of the total assets. So this is how the goodwill is calculated according to capitalization of the average profit. Now second one is capitalization of super profit. Suppose a firm earns a profit of rupees 30,000 and the normal rate of return is 10%. Suppose capital employed in the business is 10% and calculate the value of goodwill by capitalization of super profit. Now how the goodwill is calculated under capitalization of super profit? Goodwill is super profits into 100 upon rate. Now what is super profit? We have already discussed. Super profit is actual profit minus normal profit. Actual profit is given, a firm earns a profit of ₹30,000. Sometimes actual profit is not given and profits for last 3 or 4 years are given. Then we have to calculate the average. That will be considered as the actual profit. Now normal profit is, what is normal profit? Normal is capital employed into rate upon 100. Now normal profit is, in this question, capital employed is 1 lakh. It is capital employed is ₹1 lakh, and calculate the value of goodwill. Now capital employed is 1 lakh and the rate is given 10%. So this comes to ₹10,000. So normal profit is 10,000. And what is super profit? Super profit is actual profit minus normal profit. And the firm earns a profit of 30,000. So this is the actual profit minus normal is 10,000. So super profit comes to ₹20,000. Now what is goodwill? Goodwill is super profit into 100 upon rate. Super profit is 20,000 into 100 upon rate. So this comes to ₹2 lakh. So under capitalization of super profit, we have to calculate the super profit, and then according to this formula, goodwill is super profit into 100 upon rate. And what is super profit? That is actual profit minus normal profit. Actual profit is generally given in the question. If actual profit is not given, then we are given the profits for 3 or 4 years, and then find out the average of that 3 or 4 years. That will be considered as the average or actual profit. Normal profit is capital employed into rate upon rate. Capital employed, suppose this is 1 lakh. Sometimes this is 1 lakh or 80,000, whatever amount is given, then 10%. So 10% of 1 lakh is 10,000. This is normal profit. Actual is 30. So 30,000 minus 10,000, 20,000 is a super profit, and goodwill is 20,000 to 100 upon rate. That comes to ₹2 lakh. So the three methods, average profit, super profit, and capitalization method, these three methods are over. These are for valuation of goodwill. And if there is any problem regarding any method, then you can comment.